Want to avoid typing your card details every time? Here's how to save your payment card on the Zara app. First, launch the Zara app on your device. Now go to your profile section by tapping the account icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on Settings or Find Payment Methods option. Tap on Add Payment Card and enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and the name on the card. Make sure all info is accurate. Once you tap Save, your card will be securely stored for further purchases. If you switch card often, Zara allows you to manage and remove saved cards anytime in the same menu. What payment method do you usually use? Credit, debit, or digital wallet? Tell me below in the comments. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.